Lamdam asida leiriba tongan tonganba issue sing asi loishinaba EIKHOINA KARI TOUBA yabage haiba asi houjikti KHANABA YAMNAMAK MATHOU TAI haina Manipur University ge Department of Economics ge Professor Nepram Damodor na phongdorakli wafam asi ngasi Institute of Development Studies IDS na sinduna Manipur Place Club ta pangthokpa Professor and Mohendro na puthokpa Manipur towards peaceful resurgence the challenge haina mingthonba IDS ge occasional paper ama miyamda phongdokpagi thauramda mahangna phongdokhibani thauram aduga mari leinana Professor Nepram Damodor na hai ngasi Professor and Mohendro na puthokliba paper asi yamna maru oiba miyamda achouba lokshin piba paper amani paper asida ing tapa lamdam ama oinaba hotnabada thengnariba singnaba singi marik chumba wafam kaya paper asida yauri chaurakna lamai kunnithoi rom panba paper asina Jewel of India ge Indiani hairiba Manipur gi houjik oiriba economy gi phibam sing kupna nainari haina mahakna phongdokhi mahakna makhata na hai Indiana houjik kumja lising ani nimpu tareta malem gi super power oinaba akanba mawongda hotnari adubu Manipur di houjik problem kaya ga loinana chatli asigumba problem kaya sing asi loishinaba EIKHOINA KARI TOUBA yabage haiba asi houjikti KHANABA nainaba YAMNAMAK MATHOU TAI haina mahakna makhata khi ngasigi thauram aduda paper adubu puthokliba Professor and Mohendro Senior Journalist and Hemanta Kumar amadi Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited ki Managing Director TH Joy Kumar su sarkyakhi
Nasi Manipur ki Jewel of India ni haiba Manipur si challenges overcome halli political instability and economic turmoil in the see Matanga the document raises one of the document raises concerns about Manipur's ability to contribute to India's goal of becoming the third largest economy by 2047. India in 100 years of independence, 2047 is the developed country of India to be fundamental. Must open a Dixit Bharat the Dixit Bharat like that, highest equally fully developed economy, going very high level of